In some emergency front-end collision situations, the low-speed front automatic braking feature will help reduce crash severity or even help avoid one by applying the brakes automatically or enhancing your braking. The feature uses a forward-looking camera to detect vehicles you are following. When a vehicle is detected ahead, a green icon will be displayed. If the system detects you're seconds away from a collision with a vehicle you are following, it sends an alert. If you don't respond quickly or the situation happens suddenly, the front automatic braking feature will enhance your braking or automatically apply the brakes for you. On some vehicles, the brake pedal moves when automatic braking occurs. You can override this feature anytime by pressing the accelerator pedal. If the system brings your vehicle to a complete stop, you can release the brakes with the electronic park button. This feature operates between 8 and up to 80 km per hour on some vehicles and can be turned off through your vehicle's menu settings.